Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about unzipping Android application, that how we can actually extract files from an APK package. So as I told you earlier that Android application is just an archive file which contains all the application files. Now let's see, Android application is an archive file which contains all the files of that application, which means all the files of our application is actually zipped into one file, and that is called as Android application. So extension of Android application is .apk, as we all know. So what happens is, once we unzip our file or once we unzip that APK package, we can retrieve all the files of that application. So the one thing to be noticed is that unzipping or extracting the files from APK package doesn't mean decompiling the application. So if we decompile the application, that's another thing, and if we extract the application files by unzipping it, that's another thing. Now let's have a look at a common format or common files which are actually present inside all Android application. So you can see here that there is one file called as classes.dex file which is actually present in all Android application, and with the help of this file we can actually analyze that how that application works. And there is one more file called as Androidmanifest.xml file. So this file is actually must in all Android application, and with the help of this file, that is Androidmanifest.xml file, we can find out the characteristics of that application. So if that application asks some permission from the user, then with the help of this file we can actually see that what kind of permission that application asks from the user, and by analyzing this file, that is Androidmanifest.xml file, we can actually figure out a full source code, whereas activities, intent manager, by using this file. There are some additional folders like assets, resources, libraries, which contain some different source code and different components. So this is how a normal file structure of Android looks like. Now let's unzip one Android APK file in our CentOS operating system.
Now let's see how we can unzip any Android APK file. Well, I told you earlier that Android APK file is nothing but just an archive which contains a lot of files inside it. So you can see here that my CentOS operating system is up and running, and on my desktop I have one file called as tutorials.apk. So what I will going to do is I'm going to unzip and fetch out all the files which are present inside this APK file. So let me open my terminal and let me go to my desktop. So you can see here that I have one file tutorials.apk, and in order to unzip any file, just write down here unzip, and we have to pass one parameter, that is -d, followed by the directory name which contains all these files. So let me just write here demo, then we have to give the APK file name, that is tutorials.apk. Hit enter, and you will see here that a directory named as demo is being created, and this directory now contains all the files which are present inside this APK file. So let's go inside this directory, that is demo, and you will see here that these are the files or directories which is present inside any APK file. Here is one file called as Androidmanifest.xml file, classes.dex file, some org directory, meta-inf directory, resources directory. So this file, that is Androidmanifest.xml file, so this file contains lot of information about a particular Android application, which means Androidmanifest.xml file describes the properties and characteristics of any particular application, and this file is must in any Android package. Whereas there is one file called as classes.dex. So classes.dex file also contains some useful information which we will analyze in later videos, but for the time being you will see here that we are able to extract the files. And what if we want to see the source code or the content of this file? So let's try to figure out that what inside this file, that is Androidmanifest.xml file. So I'm just writing here vim, hit enter, and you will see nothing. So the reason behind that is that we have just unzipped the files, but we haven't decompiled the application. So that's why these all files are still compiled. And if you want to figure out the source code of this file and you want this file in a plain text format, then we have to decompile the application rather than unzipping the application. Similarly, if you want to analyze the classes.dex file, you will see nothing because it's a compiled file. So in order to see the content, we have to decompile the file. So in this video, my motive was to show you that how we can unzip the file, because in order to analyze the classes.dex file, we have to pick the classes.dex file as a compiled one. So this is how we can unzip a particular file, and in the later videos we'll see that how we can decompile the particular file and we can analyze Androidmanifest and classes.dex file. So in this video we have covered that how an Android application APK is built and how we can extract files from it. So thanks for watching this video.